Hey guys, my name is Mike, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to the process of making a thumbnail for me. So what you need is Google Chrome and thumbnail maker for YouTube. So what you need to do is go on Google, find an image. Here's an image right here. All you have to do is just scroll for an image, and then you just for example, this one. So this is going to be used for the suicide mouse video. So yeah. So then you just, why do I keep on doing that? So you tap on the image you want, and you hold down on it, and then when it says image result for suicidemouse.avi, all you have to do is tap on download image. All you have to do is hit download, and then when this pops up, you wanna go back. And then go to Thumbnail Maker for YouTube. Click on Thumbnail Maker, tap on Thumbnail Maker. Tap on the picture icon, and there's your thumbnail. There's your picture. So let's tap on this one. You can zoom it out, you can rotate it, or yeah, you can do all that great stuff. Just let me get it back to normal. Okay, there we go, whatever. Okay. Yes. Alright, so we need to do another one. Sorry. So let's tap on this one. You can rotate it and stuff. So here's the text. So you just write like that, and then you hit the check mark, and you can drag it around and tap on, and when you tap, it'll just stay there, and you can make multiple images at a time. So what I'm gonna write is Mike reacts to suicidemouse.avi again. You might have seen this video. So there's where it is. So when you hit, dang it. So there's fonts. I don't have these fonts unlocked, but you can unlock all of these to change the style, like this. And the one that I'm going to be using is probably this one. And then if you tap on this color icon, you can select the color of the text. For example, we can make it black or red, or you can make it blue and red, dark red. This is like blood red. And then if you tap on the A icon, you can change the different stroke. You can make it 3D and stuff, which I am gonna make it. So you hit color, and you can you choose black, orange, and yeah. I'm gonna be using black for this one. No, I'm gonna be using red. And then let me change the stroke image. So it can be like this, or it can be like this. I'm gonna have it like this. Oh my god, I think I messed it up. That's okay. I think we're gonna have it like this, and then if you want this, you can change the radius. You can change the angle. I don't know what that does. You can change the opacity, and you can change the color. I don't know what that does. And then if you hit this, you can center it to the left, the center, or the right. Personally, I like the center. And then when you're done with all that, all you have to do is just hit the check mark, and you can rotate it like this. And then you can crop it out. You can make it so small you can't even see it. Oh no, I think I messed it up. Let me write it again. Okay, Mike reacts to suicidemouse.avi again. So just let me choose my letter font. Just make the color stroke normal. Let's make it dark red. No, let's make it black. And then we'll make the image red. No, we'll make it dark red. And then you just hit the check mark. And then choose color here. I want dark red. Hit the check mark, and you're all good to go. So let's just crop it out a little. So it can be like this. You can like move it down to make it, or you can make it into center. You can move it down, or you can put it into the center. So I personally want it up top. No, let's have it on the bottom. Oh yeah, I forgot, with the image you can like move it around. So we can like move it a slight bit up to the top. But you personally want this without anything showing up. So let me fix this. I'll have it like this. Oh jeez, it's so hard. So hardcore. So I want it even. Like that. And first, if you want to make custom thumbnails, what you have to do is you have to verify yourself. All you have to do is just type in how to verify on YouTube, or you can just go on this app and then it will tell you how to do it. So yeah, you have to be verified before you can do this. That's why the newest video is 16 minutes long. When you get verified, you can have custom thumbnails and post up to 16 minutes. So yeah. So after you're done, you can choose stickers. You can add your own sticker. You can choose this one, and this one. So let me exit all that out. And you have a different range, but if you want all the fonts and logos and stuff like that, what you need is you have to pay for this. So yeah, you can like draw in your image like this. So when we do that, you can change the color. I personally want it white. No, not personally. And then you can have these. You can change like to this, hearts. You can change it to this, glaring. I don't know what this is. Or you can make it blurry. Making it blurry, I don't know what making it blurry would do. Oh, it's already blurry now. Oh man, I messed it up. So you can do the contrast and the brightness of your image. Oh no! That's not what I like it. And then that's it. When you hit this arrow right here. Wait for the ad. Cancel the ad. And then you can like oh yeah. Okay. Let me go back. So you can like do this. Oh yeah. Here's what you have. You have to pay, if you want the one-time purchase. You have to pay $5, and you get all of these. So I'm not going to be doing that in this episode. I want it whole in one. So once you're done, you just hit this arrow like I said. And then you can either hit save, but personally you want to upload it to YouTube. So you just hit this upload to YouTube button and choose your video. As you can see, some of them already have custom thumbnails. And then you just tap on the video you want. And I'm going to tap on this one. You can crop it out. I seriously don't know how to do this. I've been trying before I even started recording. And then you want to hit set as thumbnail. And then it will just load for a bit. And it will just keep loading. And then wait. Voila! It's not showing up. Voila! There's your custom thumbnail. And then you can just go on YouTube and you'll still have your custom thumbnail. But you have to wait a few minutes for it to actually show up on your thumbnail. It'll still have your old thumbnail, but you just gotta wait a few minutes and it'll have your custom thumbnail. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.